ProtonVPN versus PrivadoVPN, which is more secure in 2025. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the comparison between the two VPN. We're going to check through some key reviews about each and every of this VPN, which is the Proton and the Privado. We are going to check what makes them superior to other. What are the key features, the benefit of using each and every of these VPN, how they work, their pricing, their features, the support, everything. The most key features, the hidden part of this VPN, why they stand out among all others. What's their area of speciality? What they specialize on? What they focus on? Is it privacy? Is it, just name them? What makes them better than every other VPN? So that is what we are going to do in this video. So right now, if you want to have access to this ProtonVPN, you can just simply download it on your Microsoft window. Something goes into Privado. If you want to install it, you can install it for any of your devices. Windows, could be Mac OS, could be Linux, could be Apple. Just name them. They are all available on all devices. So that's it. So let's get started. So the first thing is Privado. Okay, now the first VPN I'm going to talk about is ProtonVPN. This is Proton right here. This is the website for Proton. You can see the search bar, which is ProtonVPN.com. So it shows that I'm currently on their VPN. Just trying to give you some cool review about the VPN. So from there, I'll go to PrivadoVPN, give you some cool review about the two platform, the two VPN, and now after that I can now decide which one you think is best or which one has the quality of what you want. Person, they can now decide to sign up and create an account, then get started with the VPN so that I can navigate throughout the web. So that's it. So now talking about ProtonVPN. ProtonVPN is one of the highly rated VPN on the internet, which is heartbreaking features. For example, they provide IP masking. They provide swing legal protection. They also provide no log policy. They provide net shared heart blocker. They also provide they provide up to 5 devices. That is to say, this, if you create an account on the platform, you can connect this VPN to up to 5 devices, and you can also, they have about 30 days money back guarantee. So if you subscribe to this particular VPN website, and you have the 30 days guarantee that if you don't like their services, you will be able to get back your money. They have the guarantee, and also they have paid plan from 4 to 49 euro per month. So that is it. And talking about the run-up, which is the Privado website, they provide a lot of key features. They also provide servers in 66 cities. They have server in all 66 cities. They also have 10 connections. They have SOC 5 proxy. They have unlimited devices. They have zero log. They have about 30 days money back guarantee as well. They both have 30 days money back guaranteed if you don't like, or if you think that their service is not what you think, they are not providing what you think you want, you can get back your money in the next 30 days. But after 30 days, I'm sorry, you might not be able to get that back. And also they have a paid plan. They have at least $1.111 per month, which is paid plan per month. Even though that is not that shouldn't be included on their pricing list, but we're coming back to the pricing list for now. So a lot of things is attached to this VPN. So let's go through the website and let's talk about the key features of this website, which is why we use the VPN. Everybody knows the reason why we use VPN. Most of the reason why people use VPN to secure their connection, keep their data private, and also have access to all internet. Now this is the internet security for everyone. And now let's check through their most important list, which is unique for more secure for VPN. Alright, good. Now what our user says, this is their reviews from here. This is for Proton. I see a review from Proton. Yes, this user is from I guess Twitter or something. I absolutely love your service and your ethic, which is ProtonVPN. Keep doing what you were doing, and you've got a customer for life. And also here is another user. They also wanted to thank you for the outstanding service your company offer. I have used VPN service over the year and seems penny. You can see that, which is pretty awesome. And also the speed and the reliability of your client software surprised me instantly. It's a world-class better. So this particular user here is talking about the speed and the reality of the client software surprise this user. So which means that this company actually provide very high speed VPN. And the first user, which is the Martin Bishop, also talked about the customer services, which is more reliable. Their customer is more reliable. And here this particular person, which is Rob G, also talks about the speed just way. Wow, my Telenor just gifted a double up for 3 months of 450 megabyte per second, which is tips the heart, but even more impressive running the speed test while using ProtonVPN. So this particular person, so this both you two user, which is Rob G and Just Ray, they're talking about the internet speed of ProtonVPN. So they also testify that the speed test of this VPN is awesome, which is pretty cool. So this particular VPN actually provide the maximum accurate speed as they said they will do, which is pretty cool. So if you are the type of person that loves speed, I think this VPN is best for that. If you want to get VPN, it's okay. And here are the key features. They provide VPN, private VPN. Here are the features of this website. They provide key VPN. They provide free VPN. They also provide VPN servers. They also provide VPN for streaming. They also provide VPN for Netflix, because each and every platform they require each platform require the maximum connection speed. So that is why they have this different server for this platform. For example, free VPN. So just want to do like a free search online, you can just can stay connected to this free. If you want a VPN server, you can stay connected to this. If you want VPN for streaming, because VPN for streaming actually requires a huge amount of speed test for that. Same thing goes with Netflix. If you want a secure cool VPN, if you want VPN for business, all of these features they provide it. And these are the platform their VPN works. You can see from the platform. They can download the VPN. It is downloadable. You can download it VPN for Windows. You can download it for Windows, for Mac OS, which is if you are an Apple user. If you're an Android user, you can download the VPN. If you're an iPhone user, which is iOS, if you are a Linux, if you are a Chrome, you can install it, can add it as an extension. You can also add it to your Firefox. You can also get it on your Chromebook. You can even get it on your iPhone TV, and you can also get it on your Apple TV, which is awesome. Yeah, which is pretty awesome, which is good. can check about us, then about the platform, about the complaint. Here's about the complaint. Here's it. These are the teams. These are nothing about. We created Proton to provide an alternative. Proton was born out of the desire to build an internet that puts people before profit, where everyone is in control of their digital lives, where online freedom is reality. It is this new world you can communicate with. Actually, also, you can see the purpose of building this VPN is to provide a freedom of reality to users. And also, here's about the ProtonVPN. The ProtonVPN was it was launched on 2014 after a successful public crowdfunding, and also over about 10,000 individuals donate over $500,000 just to bring this project just to bring it on. So which shows that this website is actually pricing of this website. Here is the pricing. So security, privacy, freedom for everyone. So these are the security, privacy, freedom for everyone. Here's the pricing. So if you want to purchase 0% off, you can just simply pay 1.99 euro per month and get all this for just 1 month plan. Then if you want 2 years, which is 55% off, you get 2 years plan at the rate of 4.49 euros per month, and get about 2 years plan. And also, if you want a year plan, you can just get a 50% off from the plan, which is 4.99 per month, and you save about 60%. You save about 60 euro from this. This is the list of their pricing. And also, if you want to subscribe for this free, if you want to subscribe for this ProtonVPN subscription, these are the ProtonVPN subscription plus. So this will give you advance for access to their premium services. So this is the advance to the premium services they have. They have this about 8,600 server in about 110 countries. They have the highest VPN service. Also, they provide split running, and also they provide 10 devices at a time. So you can connect the VPN up to 10 devices at a time. They have high speed, and also they provide ads blocker and so many more like that. So now back to the Privado. Can also they have about this to provide safe and secure services, and here is their review. Here you can see these are key features. Privado offer all of these amazing features, starting from zero log policy, hard blockers. They also provide access to multiple devices, premium network. They also have the key switch. They provide key switch. They also provide split tunneling, and they have about SOC X5 proxy. So talking about SOC X5 proxy is a set up PrivadoVPN network which provide the favorite download client to get the fastest possible speed with secure IP address and keep your files transfer safe. And also secure encryption protocol. They also have this as one of their features. Servers around the world. They also have servers all around the world. Easy to use app. They have parental control and customer service. I guess the Proton is not, they didn't shortlist the customer service support. And here is their pricing. So if you want 12 months of limited VPN with 3 free, can pay at least $4.3 per month. And here's the list of the services. They have unlimited data. They have servers in 66 cities. They have 10 connection. They have streaming support. They have ads blocker, unlimited devices. we have unlimited devices, but on the Proton, we only have about 10 limited devices. But here we have unlimited devices. They have zero log, they have threat protection, they also have parental control, and this works perfectly on Windows, works on Android, on Apple, on iOS, on couldn't figure out what is this. We also have on TV, we have on Google, Chrome, and all of that like that. So if you want about 24 months unlimited free VPN, you have to pay about $1.11 per month, which is also to provide unlimited data, servers in 66 cities, 10 connections, streaming support, ad blocker, unlimited device, zero log, threat connection, parental control, and same. Also provide for Windows, Apple, iOS, TVs, and all that stuff like that. So if you want a 1 month plan with no savings, which is $10.99 per month, they also provide under this pricing. They provide unlimited data, they have servers in 66 cities, 10 connections, streaming services, ad blocker, unlimited device, zero log, threat protection, parental control, and the app supports almost all that for, which is awesome. And that's it. So let us know which one you think is better for you, is the best VPN to choose out of those two reviews in the comments.